In this video, we're making this chocolate loaf cake, which is dense, chocolatey, and an absolute heaven for chocolate lovers. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, and they're very simple, so let's get started. First, you're going to grease and line a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and set that aside. In a bowl, take the all-purpose flour, add in the cocoa powder and the baking powder. Mix everything together until it's combined and there are no lumps. In another bowl, take the sugar and add in the eggs. And then whisk them for about a minute until the sugar has dissolved. Then add in the milk, vanilla extract, and the butter. And mix again for about 2 to 3 minutes till everything is combined. Then to this add in the dry mixture and mix it in just until the flour has combined into the batter. Before the dry mixture is entirely combined, add in the hot water and mix again until the batter comes together. Make sure not to over-mix the batter. And then you're going to pour this into your prepared pan. Just tap the pan to get rid of any air bubbles. And then bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Make sure not to over bake this so that the cake is nice and moist. And once it is cool, you can take it out of the loaf pan. And cut it into nice thick slices. This cake is dark, rich, and dense, and it tastes just like the Theobroma Dense Loaf Cake. If you've tried that one and you've loved it, you have to give this a try. This pairs so well with tea, coffee, or even milk, and it would be an absolute delight on a rainy evening. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to give this a try and let me know if you like it. Subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes and hit the notification bell to stay notified, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!